a little bit of cleaning up to do after the spin in the rain yesterday at Snetterton. It's not too bad. Just got a little bit of grass and mud. That should clean off quite easily. I might even take a bucket and sponge to it. So relatively unscathed. I've slid off onto the grass, but the circuit's so well used that the grass doesn't present much of a step up off the tarmac, which is good, so the car just slides across. You do a lovely 360 degree in front of the crowd and then you drive off. Must have looked spectacular, never mind.